So here's the new concealed gun cabinet that we made at Early Designs. The main structure is made of ambrosia maple. It's about 4 inches deep. The back is secured with a 3/4 inch plywood that you can screw to the wall. And it's about 1.5 inches thick. The flag itself is made of bloodwood and ambrosia maple. Every single one of these pieces are jointed and planed so they stay perfectly straight. The union we made out of this time quarter sawn sapelli, which came out really nice. We really like the shades and the various tones in the wood. And the star is made of epoxy, which we have white pigment added to it. It has an RFID reader that secures the box. It's basically right there, and here's the pin. And the back here we have fabric. This can be customized to any color you like. We have the gas struts. These are 40-pound gas struts, so they work really well. The lid itself is about 40 pounds, so it's pretty heavy, but these struts work great. We have these hidden hinges, which are a great accessory to this box. It makes it very slick looking. The guns can be also customized, depends what kind of guns you have. What is your taste? This is what we have at the shop, but everything is held up by magnetic plates that we screw to the back of it, and that's how everything is held up. This particular lock here is battery powered, so it comes with instructions as well, which we'll send you if you order one of these, and it locks up. This can be recessed in the wall if you like, and make it as a wall art piece as well. So there you go, guys. New gun box.